This is the Charles Law calculator for MathCelebrity.com. There's two ways to get there. You can type Charles Law, or if you know your 3 out of 4 inputs, you could type something like V1 equals 200, T1 equals 300, T2 equals 350. Now, you can type any of the 3 or 4 inputs, so T1, 2, V1, or V2. You separate each one by a comma. So I'll run this one here. So here's our calculator, and because we ran the shortcut, it dropped in our numbers for us. But the way it works basically is you enter 3 out of these 4, and from the shortcut search bar you can pick any of these 3 out of 4. You pick the variable, equal sign, a number, and then separate each one by a comma. So we're going to go ahead and solve for all these. So this is V2. So we do the Charles Law equation, cross multiply, simplify, and isolate. We've got V2. So now we plug and chug and we get 233.33. So let's try this and we'll solve for T1. Again, Charles Law equation, cross multiply, divide, simplify, and isolate. Here's T1. Plug and chug, we get 140. So now we'll plug in 140 here, solve for V1. So we get Charles Law, cross multiply, divide, simplify, and isolate. We get V1. V1's 200, which is what we wanted. So for the last problem, we're going to run this one from the search engine just to show you one more shortcut. So we have T1 equals 140, V1 we just solved for equals 200. Let's see, yeah, 200, and V2 equals 500. So if everything works out, we should get T2 equal to 350. So I'll press the calculator. So loaded our numbers correctly, 140, 200, 500. So again, we go through the steps we've been going through, cross multiply and isolate, T2, and we do get 350, which is great. So as you can see, the calculator can handle all 4 variables that you solve for. We also got a generate practice problem button. Press that once, we get a completely random problem here. You press it again, you get another random problem here. We've also got a quiz generator. For more information on how to use that, you visit the video link on the quizzes folder here. Any questions or enhancement suggestions, please use the contact us link. Thanks for watching.